Hello everyone. As you know that AI coding tools are becoming insanely powerful. But what if you could run one directly on your desktop? Today I'll show you how to install the desktop version of OpenCode AI on Windows and get it running in just in a few minutes. By the end of this video, you will have your own AI coding assistant ready to help you write code. So let's directly install it. First of all, we will open a Chrome browser or any other browser and search here OpenCode. Simply search OpenCode. The first website you will see opencode.ai. Open this website. After opening and the home page you will see new. It means new. It has released the desktop version also. Desktop app available in beta on Mac, Windows and Linux. So let's download it. Press download. So we are on the download page. So here you can see download for Windows directly. So you press this and download it. I already downloaded this. Look at the OpenCode desktop installer. Let's press this and install it. So here double click the installer and press next. So the installation completed. Press next and run OpenCode and create desktop. Yes. Finish. So the OpenCode desktop version launched. So you can see an interface like this. So let's make some changes. Come here directly down to the setting. In the setting we can just change the theme and make it, customize it. Just come here, color scheme. So we can make it dark. So look at this, been changed to dark. We can make other changes also. In shortcuts, providers and models. Come here to the providers. So here different providers that you can see like OpenAI, GitHub Copilot, Anthropic, OpenCode Go, recommended OpenCode Zen. So there are different one. If you want to connect with them, just press the connect button. So you will be directly to the ask from for API and come here to the models. Different models. The default models Minimax, Memo V2, Big Pickle. These are by default. So let's close it and go back to a new chat. So here as like IDE, so here we can just open a project and start building our project or fix bugs or add extra features to our project. So first of all, I will open a project. In the document, I will create one OpenCode test. Select folder, so we will open this. So here look at it, looks like this. Whenever you open a project, a folder inside this, so the user interface will looks like this. Here you can ask whatever you want. At the right side you will see the code in the review, and here the changes at the right side you make. So for example, let's ask make an Express.js server. So it will make Express.js server for us. So it says error, unable to connect. Is the computer able to access the URL? So before we had the internet connection issue, now that's running and it will create Express.js server for us. You can ask whatever you want. You can build projects as I have already made projects using OpenCode CLI tool. So this is the desktop version. So you can watch those videos also, or we will build in the future and use this desktop version to build a project. So look at it, is just making package.json in server.js and also npm install to install the packages which are required. Yes, so it will create these and it will, yeah, let's check that. So it says Express.js created file package and servers. The server is run on this port. Okay, you can run the server on this. So let's come here back to the folder, the document, and here OpenCode test. So look at this file has been created. Look at, we have the server file package and node modules. We can see those files here on the all files at the right side. Look at, these are the files. If you want to review it, so just click a file, you can review that package.json. So look at, this is the package.json file. So we can run our server. We can ask from the desktop version, run our app. So it will run the command to run our server app, like npm start to start our server app. So look at our server is running now and localhost 3000. So we can run this on Chrome. So look at the message hello from express.js that you can see. So this was all about how we can just now add other features, the APIs. So it will build complete projects for you. This was just a demo that I showed you how you can install and use the desktop version of OpenCode. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more tech videos and AI related videos like this. Thanks for watching.